You hear me here?
Any questions, just hit me up, bro. I'm in Slack, hit me in Slack, ask questions in Slack, hit the tribe. Read that myforex.com. I mean, yeah, read that, study the information that's in there, the rule.
Like I said, I think I'm in, well, I can tell you right.
Okay, peace to the tribe. What's up, everybody? Peace to the tribe. Hey. All right, y'all. Today we're going to be talking about the T.Bot ecosystem. I hope you guys are ready. I'll be talking about how I use this secret weapon to be way more precise, way more patient, and also way more profitable. So let's get into it. If you have any questions along the way, this is going to be super interactive. I want to help you out as much as possible. Me and my team have been going hard to get this information to you. If you are a member already, do me a favor and type a 1 below. Looking for my members in the building. And if you are somebody who's interested in becoming a member, type a 2 below. To my members, just to know that you have access to what I'm about to be talking about with this indicator, with all trading, you already have access. So I'm going to be talking about what you have access to. And we're going to be enrolling you into our trading view indicator throughout this week. Some of you may have already started getting an invite. Other of you probably, like I said, you'll get it by Friday. Just please be patient with us, okay? So let's go ahead and get started, all right? Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. And once again, please don't be shy to ask your questions, please. So we got a lot of members in the building. Shout out to Juan, okay? Shout out to Lachelle, okay? I think that's L. Dot. Shout out to, who is that? Naoma, Talik, Willie, Daryl, Damien. Oh, Daryl, you're not a member yet, but I know you're on your way. Okay. Marcus is on his way. Quadir not in the trading, but curious to get in. Yeah, what's up, Juan? Peace, Stephanie. What's up, William? Let's go. Oh, yeah, we the GOAT. The tribe is the GOAT. One, yeah, we the GOATs. All right, let's go ahead. Who we got over here? Any members on IG? Nah. Oh, one member. Okay. Nadungu. And then we got Jala Money and Black Beautiful ready to be members. Okay, cool. You're interested at least. All right, cool. So hopefully we can show you what we're doing over here. We're going to go ahead and first we're going to talk about the 3 core pillars of T.Bot. Okay, we got 3 core pillars. Let's start over here at the top left. For one, T.Bot, now the most recent thing that we're releasing, but this is what it started off as for me, which was an indicator. Okay, an indicator where I can visually see real-time winning trading opportunities on the charts. Okay, so that's one where you have a chart and then you can identify whether it's in a live chart, real time, or even back test and see opportunities where T.Bot would have told us to get in and out of the market. Okay, we update the strategies as we go along, always looking for new edges in the market, looking for, okay, how do we remove losses as much as possible? So that's the key thing, right? Trading, the way you make a lot of money is just by not losing a lot of money. So It's like any other game. The person who makes the less mistakes ends up winning the most. Okay, so for one, T.Bot is an indicator, which means that you can put it on top of a chart and it will visually show you opportunities to trade. Okay, for two, right, it's signals, because not only, if you're not in front of your chart, but you still want to know if T.Bot sees a trading opportunity, this is where signal comes into play. A signal is, even if you're working on your computer, even if you laying in the bed watching TV, even if you at the park with the kids, you can still get a notification that said, hey, it's time to look at the charts, because there's a possibility that this market is about to shoot up or it's about to bounce down. Okay, so that's what the signals do. They give us real-time notifications to our phone or our computer, no matter where we are. So that way we can trade no matter where we are. Okay, and then one of the most powerful features that we have is T.Bot Auto Trader. Okay, Auto Trader is where you can trade hands-free, okay, using the T.Bot Auto Trader mobile app. This is where you literally download this app. You have to be a member to get this app and actually activate it, because you can download it. Honestly, you can download it from the App Store right now, but if you're not a member, your account will not be active, because this is for members only. But this app is amazing, because literally, like, I'm gonna show y'all tonight. I'm gonna try, because honestly, my phone is streaming on Instagram. Oh, I know another way to show you. From the browser, I could show you. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. But anyway, long story short, I got this app and it's trading for me automatically. All you got to do is connect it to your broker, and it does all the work for you. Now, honestly, I like to still manually trade, because sometimes T.Bot will send us a trade that's, let's say, at the wrong time of day, because it's some news coming out and T.Bot doesn't know that this news is about to come out. So, as a manual trader, as a human, you have a little bit more discretion about when you want to trade. Also, sometime as a human, you can go back in time and see last time the price was here, it fell down, right? It didn't keep going up and instead came down. So as a human, you can look to the left and see what the market was doing in the past, last time the price was here. So for example, Bitcoin about a year and some change ago was at $70,000. And as soon as it hit $70,000, it went way down and eventually went down to like $10,000, right? And now we're climbing back up and it's going to like, matter of fact, I don't think it hit 10. I think the lowest Bitcoin went was like 12, 13, whatever, 12, 13,000, I don't know. And now it's climbing back up. It's almost about to hit 30,000 again. Let's say it goes back up and hits $70,000 again. Well, guess what? Most likely the price is probably going to drop again. And that's just what we know, that if the price has dropped from a point before, it's likely to do it again. One day, though, it's going to break through it. But we want to most likely just lean towards this is going to reverse at this point. So anyway, manually trading, you can make that discretion and make that decision. Whereas with Auto Trader, it does all the work for you. So it's a little bit trickier. Okay. So these are the three different options that you currently have with T.Bot: the indicator, the mobile signals, and the Auto Trader. Okay. Now let's talk about why is T.Bot so important. Why do we even need T.Bot? So for one, it automates analysis. Okay. This tool is amazing. It automates analysis. You can use the T.Bot indicator to automatically mark up the charts. Okay. I'm going to show you later on where T.Bot will show you not only buy signals and sell signals, but also when the market has a lot of momentum, when the market has a lot of a gold zone, when it's super, super strong, and also when I'm not sure, and also when the market is in a trap, it'll automatically show you the floors and the ceilings, the highs and the lows. Okay. So that's one thing it does. It automates the analysis. Two, automates signals. Okay. Automates the signals, meaning it automatically sends us these signals. There's a lot of trading groups out here that you can join, and they will manually send you signals. That's cool, right? I'm not knocking anybody like that. But we've all seen situations. I've gotten this message a lot. People hit me up and say, hey, man, people get my money and they go on vacation. Is you going to be one of those people? Nah, you know, like, oh, shoot, it doesn't even matter because I'm not even sending you signals. T.Bot is not going on vacation anytime soon, right? T.Bot does not get sick and lay in the bed. When I'm sick, I ain't trading. I'm just laying down. T.Bot does not get sick, so you'll still be getting those signals, okay? So automation is key. This is how the big banks make big money because they automate. Also, T.Bot automates trading. So you can use auto trader to automate your full trading totally. And then also automate your income, right? Because that's what this is about. People want to use these markets to make money. Okay. So another reason why, the biggest reason why T.Bot is important to us is because 90% of retail traders fail. A retail trader is usually an individual who's day trading, right? Somebody like me and you, right? We're considered retail traders because we're not institutional investors, institutional traders. Retail trader is somebody who usually trading by themselves, smaller money, 90% fail. Now, a couple of different reasons why they fail. Two of the biggest reasons is lack of strategy, not having a strategy that actually wins and gives them an edge in the market, okay? If you don't know when to trade, why to trade, what to trade, you become a part of that 90%. When you leverage T.Bot's timing and pattern matching abilities, you gain a winning edge in the market. You are now in the top 10%. Another reason why 90% of traders fail is because of lack of discipline. If you learn how to win, but erase all of those gains with bigger losses, you will be back in the 90%. T.Bot helps you stay out of very weak markets, red zones, which I'll talk about, and also consolidation, which I'll also talk about. So weak markets, red zones, consolidation, these are markets when a lot of fake outs happen and people lose a lot of money. So I'm gonna show you, stay out the way. Once again, T.Bot gives you patience because you're waiting for a signal that says, this is a good time to be looking for trades. Even if T.Bot says, look for a buy and the market actually goes down into a sell, remember T.Bot is telling us when the market has the most activity, when it's the strongest. Okay, so even if the buy loses, you still have time to get into a sell because T.Bot helped you time, okay, the market. Now, 90% of institutional investors succeed, right? All of these big banks like JP Morgan, like BlackRock, like Wells Fargo, like Citigroup, like these people are making billions per year. Right? Why are they winning? For one, they have automated software tools. Traders that work at banks and hedge funds and other investment firms pay millions of dollars a year on software alone. All right. And I say this should tell you the importance of using tools to increase your profits. And also, they automated the intelligence. The power of software is that it purposely lacks emotion. This decreases human error and increases consistency. Trading software like T.Bot that are built to follow a detailed plan day in and day out, automatically and at scale, okay? So that's the key. We try to be in that 90% of institutional investors. Now that's what we show you, that you could trade like the big banks by understanding certain things like supply and demand, how news affects the market, software tools that automate a lot of the analysis. That's what it's about. Now, I want to take it back. Before we get into actual trading, I want you to know why T.Bot is named T.Bot and where the inspiration came from. So, of course, I just wanted to build a trading bot once I learned about how Wall Street investors are using trading bots to make a lot of money. And I said, you know what, I'm not going to trade without software ever again. So I started working on my trading bot 2020 during the pandemic. And here we are now. As I went along, I was thinking about what I wanted to really name it. It's funny because like almost divinely, the name T.Bot came really quick, but I was still kind of confused on what I wanted the T to stand for. So after doing some research, and I have like a lot of interest in ancient African history, especially Kemet, which is now called Egypt. I'm really, really interested in that culture and those dynasties of royalty that existed. And after doing some research, one of the most powerful women who came from that time, her name was Queen Ta. Okay. And I think it's really powerful that her name is Ta. When we trade, we call it TA, the letters TA, it's an acronym for technical analysis. Technical analysis is literally 80% of trading, where technical analysis means technically learning how to analyze the market, finding trend lines, finding support levels, price action, where's the price going up and down, things like that. So I thought that was really cool that her name TA matched perfectly with TA, technical analysis. On top of that, if you look over here, she was wearing this crown that has a U at the head. I know some people like to call these horns, but really this represents something way, way, way more powerful. The sun, the solar disk is in the middle here, which represents that she was connected to the god Ra, okay? So that was also cool because at Unlock Academy, we always throw up the U, which stands for unlock. So I thought that was also cool. But what really got me is that TA became King Amenhotep III's trusted advisor and confidant. She was known for being wise, intelligent, strong, and fierce. She was able to gain the respect of foreign dignitaries. Foreign leaders were willing to deal directly with her. She continued to play an active role in foreign relations and was the first Egyptian queen to have her name recorded on official acts. Communicating with foreign rulers was rare and impressive. She was respected internationally. Think about that. She dealt directly with other foreign leaders, which was unheard of for women. Women were powerful. They were the queens. They did certain things around the country, around their village, within their tribe, but she communicated directly with other foreign leaders, okay? Foreign exchange, which is now what we're doing. We're trading the foreign exchange as far as trading foreign currencies. So I thought that was really dope. And that was just a nail in the coffin for me. I said, she's the perfect one to represent T.Bot, okay? So that's Queen TA, and that's our ancestor, and she's working divinely with us through these markets. Now, we have a couple of different strategies that T.Bot does for us, okay? One of the strategies is called the Trap House Bounce, and another one of the strategies is called the Trap House Breakout. The Trap House Bounce looks for bearish markets, meaning a market that is going down, okay? And the Trap House Breakout looks for bullish markets. Those are markets that are going up, okay? So in this guide, we're going to be showing you how to use the indicator. We're also going to be talking about Auto Trader and also about the signals a little bit, okay? So this guide walks you through how to use T.Bot successfully. The indicator does not predict the market, so technical analysis is still highly recommended before entering the signal. Meaning still go and just look at the chart and make sure you don't see any red flags like strong support or resistance, or what I call floor and ceiling, okay? However, this indicator signals you when the market has a lot of momentum. So whether the market is bouncing or breaking out, this T.Bot notification is very valuable, okay? So I'm gonna jump on a chart right now to show you exactly how I trade with this indicator. The best time frames to trade is on the M1, the M5, and the M15. Let me show you what I mean. So this was literally just yesterday, okay? Check this out right here. So this is what T.Bot is going to do for you when you get access to this indicator, okay? So as you see, the way trading works is the market is going, usually up or is going down or side to side. In this situation, the market was going up, okay? The market was going up if you look over here to the left, okay? I'll make it green to show you the market was going up. T.Bot made the market, it's this gold area because it's letting us know this is going up really fast, so be on point. But still no signals, but this is a signal in itself to look for a trading opportunity, okay? Next, as we see, the market did go up, but then it started to come down. Now, T.Bot knows what goes down must come up. So it starts sending us these green dots, letting us know the market is still strong, but start looking for buying opportunities, okay? Start looking for buying opportunities. And here we go right here. Each one of these right here, we're buying opportunities. So what T.Bot tells you, I'm gonna zoom in here so you can really see it. It sends us a few different things. So let's go to the most recent one, right? It sends us this green dot for one, okay? This green dot right here. This is where T.Bot is telling us to interact. So it sent us the green dot right here at this point, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and replay, go here, okay? And look, check this out. So at 2 a.m., you could have been asleep. So if you were asleep, it depends on what time zone you were on. At 2 a.m., we got a signal from T.Bot. At 2 a.m., right here. T.Bot sees something. It's like, she's like, listen, here's an opportunity to get into the market, okay? If it comes up to this area right here, get in. So that's up in this point here. However, if it goes down to this X, get out, okay? And if it goes up to this diamond area, get out too, but at a profit. So if it goes up to this diamond, we win at a profit. Okay? If it goes down to this X, we get out at a loss. Okay? Is that making sense? So this is what the market is going to look like. I did a replay so we can go back in time, and I'm about to press play so you can see how it played out, which we already saw, but just trying to make sure you get a good idea of what we're looking at. But if this does not make sense, type a question mark below. We got a signal right here, green signal, meaning the market is possibly about to go up. Green here, meaning this X means the market, if it comes down here, we lose, okay? And the diamond saying if it comes up here, we win, okay? Real simple, those three numbers. So what we would do is we would take those three numbers and plug them into our trading app, and now we can trade this signal. So let's see. Okay, so now look, the market finally came up to that point. So at this point now, we are in the market because it came up to the green dot. That makes sense, type 1, so I know we're on the same page. Juan said dot means jump in, diamonds got a probable high is going to reach, and X is where you place your stop losses. Yep, exactly. Yep, exactly, cool. So look, now at this point, we done got pulled in. So next, my step is the market will keep going. Here's 5 minutes later. That's what happened. Here's 5 minutes later. That's what happened. This is 5 minutes later. Oh my God, now it's really going up. 5 minutes later, it's still going up. 5 minutes later, 5 minutes later, it's coming down. But look, a gold zone is also starting. You see that gold? So T.Bot lets you know a gold zone is coming too. Gold means if we get a signal and then a gold zone start, we could be pretty sure that this signal is going to win. That's why I really like the gold zone, okay? Look at that, and it does. It continues to go up higher and higher. So boom, right there, we would have won. That would have hit the top right up here at the area we wanted to go to. We also had another diamond. T.Bot tells you a few different places where you can get in and out at profit. So the higher it goes, the more profit you make. In this situation, that was a 1 to 4, which means we would have won 4 times the amount that we risked, the amount that we invested. So we were risking $1,000 on this trade. Let's see if it would have went all the way up. Yep, there it goes. Boom. Look at that. The market would have went all the way up to 4 times our investment. So if you would have been risking $1,000 on this trade, you would have actually won $4,000. Okay, and that would have took 2 hours and 45 minutes to make 4K. Pretty dope. 2 hours and 45 minutes. I love it. Okay, really quick, really simple. Can't beat it. Can't beat it, for real, Juan. Can't beat it. So that's dope right there. So here we go. The market went up. Gold zone ended. You see that gold zone end? It's time for us to get out the market, get out the way. I'm out the way. And as we see the market starts going down, we already got our money though, we out of here. Okay. So when I go back over here to our guide, this is how you read the signals. So when you see a green circle on your chart, that's T.Bot telling you to look for W patterns, right? Look for W patterns, meaning that the market is likely about to make a W and it's probably about to shoot up. And if you look, check this out. Market went down, it went up a little bit, back down, and then it went up. You see that W? That's a W pattern. Down, up, down, up. It does it for us. Okay, it does it for us. Simple. So I don't want to overcomplicate this. I just want you to know that's exactly what we're looking for in that situation. Next, okay, over here, I'll go over here and show you this one. You got the red signals, which means look for M patterns. An M pattern is when the market goes up. Actually, make this one red. Up, down, up, and then down. It's going to most likely go all the way down. So once again, all you have to do is learn your trading ABCs. Looking for A's, looking for V's, looking for M's, looking for W's. I think there's a couple more, L's, R's. When you join the Unlock Academy, you go through day trading school, you'll learn about each one of those different letters that show up in the market a lot. Okay. So I'll give you access to this guy right here as well. Comes with T.Bot. The X buy stop loss, that means this is where if we're going to lose, this is where we're going to lose at. We're going to make sure that the market stops us at a certain point so that way we don't lose all of our money. Okay. The red X is when you have a sell signal, right? And if this is going to be higher up. Let me see if I can show you this. See if I can show you some red signals. Okay, here goes a red signal right here. Okay, so here goes a red signal right here. This is crazy, beautiful. T.Bot would have sent us a signal right here and said, hey, get in if the price comes down to this red area, ride it all the way down. Perfect. So there goes our red X, our red circle, our red diamonds. Okay, same thing, opposite trading style. This is looking for sales. When you see red, that means predict the market is going to go down. If you didn't know, if you're still new to trading, but trying to get your mind used to it, just know that you can make money as the market is going down. So as this market is literally falling down to the ground, somebody's making money. That's how this market works, because there's always a buyer, there's always a seller. Okay? Really simple. So if you trading and you're looking at your chart and T.Bot sends you a signal, that's all you got to do. You know, you want to just make sure you know where your X at, you get that number. Look over to my right over here. This number right here is 1.0881. That's our stop loss. So you would take that number, put it into your trading app where you actually put the trades in and make the money. It's also called a broker app. You put that number in, and now it'll trade for you. You put in 3 numbers. You're gonna put in the stop loss number. This is where you want to get out at a loss. You got your take profit number. This is where you want to get out at a profit. And you also want your entry number. This is where you get in. If the market comes to this area, get into the market. Okay, as long as everything looks good. Excuse me. Okay. My bad, I'm a little tired. I woke up at 6 this morning. We're teaching like a coding camp in Atlanta. So it's been a busy week. I love it though. These kids keep me busy. We coding, we gaming, we doing meditation, and we play football 2 days in a row. It's been real dope. Okay. But that's it. That's it. Now look at this signal right here. This is a signal from T.Bot as well. Once again, another sell signal. But look at this. It never pulls us into the market. Never pulls us in. Why? Because look at the candlesticks. They don't come down to this red dot, do they? They never make it down to this red dot. So in that situation, we don't even have to we never make the trade. We never get in because it doesn't pull us into the market. Okay. So only get in if it's gold. I wouldn't say that. That's not my strategy, right? That's not my strategy because look, even right here, the market wasn't gold, but it did keep going down, okay? Now, if you find signals that come and it's a gold zone, so for example, once again, here goes a signal and then the gold zone comes right after that. Get in that market, it's about to probably go wild. So I'm curious to see how people use this indicator because there's different ways to use it. Some people, right, they're going to be like, I want to have my red zone showing. The red zone is when the market is the most dead, right? This is when the market has the least amount of momentum usually. Sometimes it does have momentum, but look at this. Look how flat this market is. It's side to side, okay? You see this market is diagonal going up, right? Going up. Or this market over here going down, right? This market is going down, but not this market. It's sideways. We don't want to be in anything where you pretty much could draw a straight line and touch all of these candles. That's no good, okay? So we want to stay out of this whole, pretty much this whole area, right? I'm going to show you. Sheesh, this whole thing right here is a trap. That whole thing right there is a trap. So what you could do as well, I got to actually add the new one. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is that trap vibe right there. I'll turn it back off for now. I'll explain that later. But yeah, so pretty much we don't want to be in that kind of market. And the red zone lets us know that this is not really what we want, okay? It's not what we want. And then boom, we just missed this one right here. This was a trade that did come in the red zone at 7 o'clock and it would have won. So sometime you're going to get some trades that will win in the red zone. It's up to each trader's possession. Once again, everybody will be able to say what works for them. Okay. So the X's is the stop loss. The diamonds is the take profit. Okay. And then I also got some extra tips for you. I'm not going to go over these tips today, but just know, members, you will have access to this document to go over what else to look for when trading these signals. Okay. Now, sometimes you're going to see a bright green signal and sometimes you're going to see like a dark green signal. The bright green indicates a strong signal. These signals go with the trend. That's the main part. These signals are going with the trend. So if we're in an uptrend and we get a buy signal, it's going to be bright because the market is more likely to keep going up. Now, if we're in a downtrend and we see the market pull up a little bit, we're going to get a dark green circle because that means the market is still strong, but it's a little weak because the bears had just took over for a while. So we got to be careful. Okay. And then we'll talk about the other notes as well. Sell signals, same thing. We got some tips here for you to help you be more successful. Darker means that this signal is a little bit tricky. Not sure if it's really going to work out because it's coming during a different time, right? It's coming there. Like when you get a dark red circle, that means we're really in an uptrend, but the market is coming down a little bit. So it's trying to help us make that money while it's coming down real quick, but it is more riskier. So the bright red and the bright green are always the best signals, but you may see yourself getting more of these dark gray, green, and dark red signals. All right, now let's talk about a few more things inside of this indicator, the red zone being the first one. The red zone is that time between like, I think it's like 1 p.m. Eastern time and like 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. So between 1 and 7, you want to really be careful trading. Even between 1 and 8, you want to be very careful trading. Okay, that's when a lot of fake outs and manipulation happen. Okay. You get the automatic red zone with your membership. This is an automatically drawn area on the chart that signals a trickier time to trade. This is usually between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, we see consolidation happening. It's definitely time to go look at another trade. Is the red zone the trap house? No, great question. Nope, great question. Let me actually show you. So the red zone is based on a time of day. So from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, until 8 o'clock at night, that's the red zone. That's when it's just a little trickier to trade. Now, the gold zone is a little bit different. Oh, no, the trap house is a little bit different. So the trap house, I'll show you. Yeah, so the trap house shows us the ceilings and the floors. The thicker the line, okay, the more likely this is to reject once it gets to that point. A lighter line, like I'll show you in here when I zoom in, and I'm gonna break all this down in the indicator guide. The lighter line means that this is a trend. It is like this market has been here before, but it can be broken. It's easy to be broken. Okay. And I'm gonna do training sessions on all of these. Okay, I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna do trading. You can watch me use it in real time, so that way you got a better idea how to use it. All right. Then we also got the momentum cloud. Okay, this is how you know if the bulls or the bears have the upper hand. This is what it looks like. Green means the bulls are in control. Red means the bears are in control. Bulls are people who are pushing the market up. Bears are people who are pushing the market down. Okay. So in the T.Bot ecosystem, you got the bright green cloud, which means that there's momentum shifting in the background. The dark green cloud is bulls controlling the trend. Okay. Let's watch out for piece of slide. Yeah, okay, cool. So then you also got the momentum cloud is really cool. Let me show you this right here. Okay, cool. So red means that the sellers are in control, aka the bears. Green means that the bulls are in control. look for buys. Okay. Now the gold zone. Know when to trade is the most. Know when to trade when the market is the most strong. That's what I was going to say. Okay. So this area tells us when the bulls or bears have taken over the market in the short term and long term. This takeover may last a couple of hours or even up to 4 to 8 hours. So this is like really, really strong. Green, when you see that, it indicates that the bulls are in control and long-term momentum. Okay. Indicates, and then the red indicates that the bears are controlling short and long-term momentum. That's some good money. That's some good money. So also, with your membership, you'll get access to mobile signals. Okay. Mobile signals helps you get notified no matter where you are, so you never miss a trading opportunity. Now, outside of the indicator, which we just talked about, there's also the possibility for you to use Auto Trader. Auto Trader is a mobile app and backend app that automatically sends signals to the phone. Okay, really powerful. It tells you the strength. It tells you P1. It tells you if this is a short or long. Short means you think that the market is about to go down. Long means you think the market is about to go up. From the T.Bot signal channel, you will receive alerts, and T.Bot has found a high probability trading every signal. Okay. So Auto Trader, once again, learn how to make money while you sleep, travel, and live your life. Okay. Choose to live. So here goes the app over here. Peace. Okay. We're going to go right ahead. Yep. Can these slides be shown to yeah, you're going to get this whole slide. You're going to get this whole slide, okay? Yep, you're going to get this whole slide. This is your guide. You can think of it as your guide, okay? You can think of it as your guide. Good question. So you can use both pretty much. Yep, you can use Auto Trader. You can use the signals, and you can use the indicator. Yes, I do. I highly recommend it. Yep. So in the app, you can connect T.Bot to your broker, deposit your funds, and turn on Auto Trader. You may also choose to manage your open trades through the app, get updates about T.Bot, and see trade history. Okay. So here's a breakdown for our members, so you can know, you'll know what membership you have or will have. So that way you can know like what you'll actually get access to as a member. Okay. So here's the whole T.Bot infrastructure ecosystem. I like to think of it as an octopus with 8 legs. Okay. This is how it's going to work for you. Okay. So we got 3 memberships on our trading side. So this is for the trading side of things. We got a starter membership, we got a pro membership, and we have a mastery membership. Okay. Starter membership comes with the indicator we call T.Bot Queen, which is the indicator that comes with the automatic trap house, which automatically draws the trap house on the screen for you, automatically draws the red zone for you, and automatically sends you breakout strategy signals right on the chart. Okay. That's our starter plan. That's $75 a month. Okay. Then we have the pro plan. That comes with an indicator called T.Bot Goddess, right? It comes with everything that T.Bot was as a queen, but it also includes some extra goddess features. So you not only get the automatic trap house and the automatic red zone and a automatic breakout strategy, the signals that show on the chart, you also get access to the trap house bounce strategy. The bounce is the sell signals. Breakout is the buy signals. okay? And then I also want to talk to you about the automatic momentum cloud. That's what shows those green and red clouds about when one market is pretty much doing some good trending. Okay. But then also T.Bot will draw the gold zone for you. The gold zone lets you know that this market is on fire on the smaller time frames all the way up to the higher time frames. Okay. You'll also get in the mastery membership hedge signals, meaning if T.Bot sent you a signal for a buy, it's also going to send you a signal for a sell, just in case it goes the opposite direction. Okay. So that's that. Any questions? Any questions for me? Any questions for me? The pro is the one that's 150, right? Yep. The pro is 150. The starter is 75. The pro is 150. The master is 200. Okay. I'll drop the links below so you can join us. Okay, that's 75 a month right there. And then also we got the pro plan right there. All this is on Slack channel too. So on Slack, that's where you get the signals at. It's really cool to get those signals. They come directly to Slack. But also now you'll have access to the indicator, which means you're gonna, on your trading view, which is this app right here, you're gonna be able to put this same indicator right here. Mine says, matter of fact, I'll grab it for you right now. It's called Queen, okay? And then we also got the Goddess, okay? I'm gonna turn off Omni. But so check this out. You got the Queen indicator right here, and then you also have the Goddess indicator right here. Okay. I'll level up mastery eventually. Sounds good. Sounds good. If you get to 75 for 3-month plan and then it's moved to the pro, do we move up to Goddess? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you mean by that exactly, Damien. You might have to email us so we know your specific situation and we can help you out. Juan said, do your research, man. This man is really doing it for the culture. Nobody's prices are, nobody's prices are like this, so much value for a great price. Unlock those mental cages so you can unlock those financial cages. Exactly. If I already have the pro, where do I go to add the indicators and start? I have T.Bot, the app already and set up, just don't have the indicators on TV yet. So you want to make sure that you got auto T.Bot membership for one, and like it sounds like you already do. But next, what you want to do is inside of your course, we're going to have a cloud course on your dashboard. It's probably not there for you just yet, but it's pretty much going to send you a link to fill out a form, give us your email address. We're going to use that email address to invite you in. This is the only way that we can do it because TradingView does not make it easy for people to get on here at all. So just send us your name and your email and we'll help you get signed up. Is this for Forex only? And can you use this to become a prop trader? Yes, you can use this to become a prop trader. For one, I've done it. And it's not only for Forex because I've learned that I can look at any chart and find a trading opportunity. Pretty dope, right? Pretty dope. Okay. I'm getting kind of tired, y'all. So I'm gonna have to jump off here in a second. It's 10 o'clock. But yeah, reach out to me if you have any questions, okay? Any questions, just reach out to me. Okay, thanks, Juan. Cool. All right, I'm here to help you, here to definitely be there for you. Oh, yes, yes. Damien, you'll get access to Goddess, which is that next level up. Yeah, so you'll get access to Goddess because you are just on like a trial right now. But yeah, you'll get access to this middle plan. You welcome, Ralph. You welcome, Willie, Juan, A, Stephanie. Yes, you're welcome. Cool, cool, cool. I'm gonna do more sessions. I want to get back into Charts 101, which is where I trade live. And I'm going to be trading live, obviously, with T.Bot and this new indicator. I cannot wait to show you. Okay. Appreciate y'all so much. If I can help with anything else, please reach out and I'll do my best. Peace. Unlock. Each. Love y'all. That was dope. Appreciate y'all. Yeah. I'll drop the link for you one more time. You can also go to our website and get these links, the starter and the pro. Okay. Yes, yes. Yep, yep. We'll be teaching tomorrow at the center. Yep. People be trading with you while you trade live. Is that recommended? Yeah, I recommend it. We're gonna do some trading live. I'm gonna be trading. I definitely encourage you to trade live with me. That way you can get used to trading the T.Bot signals too. Okay. Okay, family. Appreciate y'all so much. I'm about to jump off. Once again, if you need anything from me, just reach out. No, you don't have to be tech savvy at all. Email is help@unlock.academy. Help@unlock.academy. All right. All right, really dope. Thank you all, and I will see you guys on the other side. Peace. Unlock.